You're in for a treat today because we're about to reveal the secret sauce to earning money with CPA marketing using some jaw dropping budget friendly traffic methods. But hold on, before we dive into the details, I've got a question for you. Have you ever dreamt of making money while you sleep, while you watch your favorite show, or even while you're enjoying a relaxing day at the beach? Well, guess what? I made over $1,200 in just 48 hours from this cheap traffic source with my CPA marketing offers. I'm about showing you the sites that I actually use to make such amount right down in this video. I'm going to unveil a step-by-step guide that's going to show you how to make a sustainable income with CPA marketing using traffic sources that won't break the bank, but there's a catch. I won't give it all away just yet. You have to stick around because this part will be shared as we proceed. But before we dive right into the video, guys, if you're new to my channel Success Tactics, I create videos on ways you could make money online with CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other AI tools. If you like such content, make sure you do scroll through my channel right now, and don't forget to click the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you right now in boosting your income online. So guys, diving right back into the video of today, if you don't know what CPA marketing is all about, CPA actually stands for cost per action, which means you get paid when people take some specific actions, and some specific actions may actually involve installing an application, pinning, using their submitting their phone numbers while going through a simple survey, or their email address or zip code, or maybe their credit card details. And if they do that right now, you do get paid some cool affiliate income or commission right there. Now there are also some CPA marketing platforms where you could get CPA offers to direct people to doing some specific action, and examples include this platform right here called CPAGrip. There are others like CPA Build, Share Sale, and other platforms right there. So if I do utilize this platform called CPAGrip, log into my account and come onto this section that says offer tools, click on my offers. I'm going to selecting one offer. Maybe I'm just going to select an offer that actually requires people to do the email and zip submit right here. And you can see right here that all this offer actually requires you to do is to come from the United States to submit, to use a desktop device to submit their email address or zip code by going through a simple survey using this unique affiliate link. And if they actually do that and fit into this category, I'm actually going to get paid $2.31 per person that actually does that. So what you want to do right now is to copy the link to this right here, and you could create a simple landing page right now using platform like Systemi.io or any other landing page builder site out there. You can actually go to checking out my channel OJ Marketing, click on this search icon and type in landing page. And if I do come right here and type in landing page right now and click on enter, you'll be able to see some cool videos I created for you on how you could easily create some simple landing pages right now. So check out those videos as they could help you right there get better conversions to your CPA marketing offers. But if we want to dive mainly into the topic of today's video, which is some cool and amazing platforms which you could use to promote your CPA marketing offers. Now let's dive into some traffic that you can use to share or promote your CPA marketing offers, which are actually cheap traffic sources. And these traffic sources I'm about to reveal to you are best that work for me, and I will be showing you the best that convert so well that at the end in part of this video, if you don't actually skip the video first, you're actually going to get access to that. So the first platform right here is this particular platform called Reddit Ads. This is actually an amazing platform you want to leverage right here because it is cost effective and it allows you to target specific subreddits, ensuring that you reach your ideal audience right here. And the minimum deposit which you can actually get to this platform is about $5 right here. And if you do run a campaign right here appropriately on this platform, you can get back 10 times in revenue from what you actually invested in this platform. So the second platform right now is actually called the Microsoft Ads advertisements right now. So if you do come onto the Microsoft advertisement platform, and you will find out that this platform is actually used by millions and offer a broad reach of minimum deposit and it's also budget friendly and an ad platform that doesn't have any minimum deposit amount, which means that you can actually run ads on this platform even as low as $1 right now. That's actually quite amazing right here. So moving on to the next platform right here, which is actually called the Pop Ads and also the Propeller Ads right here. There are excellent choices for Pop Under and Pop Ads or pop-up ads right now. The Pop Ads is actually an excellent choice for Pop Ads, and this one right here called Propeller Ads is actually a very cool one right now for also Pop and Pop Under ads right here. They are affordable and can generate sustainable traffic right here to your offers. All you need to do right there is to go on to registering for this platform as an advertiser right here. If you do click on start, you can register either as an advertiser or as an affiliate. So make sure you do go on to registering for as an advertiser and go on to setting a campaign to begin driving traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So moving on to the next platform right here, which is called the Facebook ads right now. So with the Facebook ads right here, it is quite cool and amazing. All you need to do right now to utilize this platform is to go on to creating a Facebook account. From there, you can actually go on to creating a Facebook page right now that you can actually use to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. That's actually quite cool right now. So you could also go on to utilizing this platform called the ppcmate.com. This is actually a very cool platform which you could actually go on to buying traffic cheaply. As you can see right here, you could create success-driven advertising programs and achieve your digital marketing goals with the help of this platform. Why not just simply leverage this platform right here? And another platform which you could just simply take advantage of is this platform right here called rollerads.com. So rollerads.com right here is actually great for push notification. It is affordable and you can drive high converting traffic to your CPA offers right now. And the advantages of these sources are that you do get to go on to paying little amount to get a lot of cool and amazing traffic to your CPA marketing offers, as such particular platforms are actually budget friendly, allowing you to optimize your ROI. They also give a real human traffic and not bot like I said, these are actually ad platforms I have tried myself and they work perfectly. If you want me to make a tutorial video on how each and every one of these platforms actually work, ranging from the roller ads to the ppcmates.com, Facebook ads, Propeller ads, the Pop ads.net, the Microsoft ads, the Reddit ads, and so on and so forth. All you need to do, guys, is just simply go into the comment section and you just want to leave a yes right there in the comment section and specify the particular platform you intend on making me to actually create a simple tutorial video on, and I'm just going to do just that. These are actually cool platforms I advise you take advantage of if you intend on getting a lot of traffic to your offers. And if the video did add any form of value, why not just simply hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel right here, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you in boosting your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.